I was trying to emphasize on the topic of comfort because we think it's even more essential than energy efficiency is to make spaces comfortable for people. And on the other hand, of course, our goal is to have super sustainable buildings that are taking advantage of natural resources like the sun, the wind and so on, instead of doing this with mechanical means and with energy and electricity. So that's our mission goal, is to make super comfortable spaces that have low impact on the environment. I think that you guys, you have the same problems that many other countries have. And actually this is something that even the politicians are aware of. So this is why even the Ukraine signed the climate protection agreement in Paris. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but those are really ambitious goals. You have the same goals that Germany has. So that means the way of how you build your cities and your buildings, it will have to change anyway in the next years, because the deadline to make almost carbon neutral society, it's not so far away, it's pretty close. And this is not something very specific for Ukraine, but this is something that even Germany is struggling. Like, how do we get there? How do we make a society being almost carbon neutral? I think in Kiev, the most important connection is to the river, actually. And this is what is really a pity, that even if you have this nice relaxation area on the opposite of the river, still if you're in the city you have as far as I know, you don't have access to the river. And this would be a connection that would be super helpful and would be super essential, because there are many built examples where they totally changed it. For example, in Korea, where they buried the river and made a highway on top of it. And nowadays they just got rid of the cars. They made the river accessible again, and this brings so much more quality. And also it improves the microclimate for the city. And there are so many advantages. So this is a big topic to tackle, and this is the big connection, which I think is the most essential one.